Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to fix your microphone and your headset not working on your Xbox Series X or S. Now, if you do have the Xbox wireless headset, when we turn this on, you just press this button. But I want to show you there is a mic mute button right here. You might have accidentally pressed that, and that's why your microphone is not working. So check your headset, even if you don't have this Xbox wireless headset, for some sort of mute function or something on the headset itself. A lot of times, these little headsets that come with your phone also have a mute slider or something on it. Also, turn up the volume on here. Just make sure it's up all the way. And then we can go back to the Xbox and just look at all the different settings. So press the Xbox button now. Go on all the way down to the bottom, go to the right, and go to the audio and music right here. And at the top, you can see I have headset and mic. So if we turn this off, it's not going to be working. Our headset's going to be muted. So we want to make sure this is on so we can actually hear. And we can turn up the mic monitoring all the way, and we can listen to ourselves talk. So just start talking in your headset and see if you can hear yourself or not. If you can't hear yourself, there's probably an issue with your headset or something. So we can go to headset mic and just make sure it's selected there. And then we have the chat mixer. If we go to the left, we're going to hear the game sound more. If we go to the right, we're going to hear our party chat more. And then we have the headset volume. Just adjust this accordingly so we can actually hear everything on our microphone and our headset. And it looks like I'm good. So we got this option on the top to turn it on or off. And then we got settings right here. Let's go to where it says general and go to volume and audio. And then go to the audio format for the headset. And just switch it to stereo on compress or Windows Sonic for headphones right here. And then we do have some additional options. I'm not going to change anything under here, but if we go to the chat mixer, we have reduced the volume of other sounds by 50%. So if we want to go ahead and do nothing under there, we do have that option. But let's go back. If you are using a controller with a wired connected to your headset from your controller to that, we want to go to devices and connections and go to controller and options for your headset. And then go to the three dots on your controller. And you need to update your controller. If you do not update your controller under here, it might not work with your connected headset. So this is very important. This was an issue in the past. And then we also have the option for a headset under here. We can update that under this menu as well. Now, if this all doesn't work, there's one other setting that we can go to. This is on your system. Go to console info, go to reset, and we can reset all the settings on our Xbox and go to reset and keep my games and apps right here. Now, you're going to have to remember your email address and password. But hopefully, if you do this, this will make your Xbox Series X headset or some sort of setting. It will reset that if that was causing the problem. So just try that out. It shouldn't remove any of your games or apps. Just don't go to the first option, reset and remove everything. So look at this as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.